Hi, Stephen here from Inexteriors Painters and Decorators, and you're watching Inexteriors TV. In this video I've got an update for you, and the update is on a ceiling crack that I did just over a year ago. So let you have a look at it then. Here's what the ceiling crack did look like a year ago, and here's what it looks like now, as good as new. If you would like to watch the video on how I fixed this ceiling crack, the video will pop up at the end of this video on an end screen. This is another repair that I did on the same ceiling that I didn't film. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.